Welcome back, students. In this session we are going to learn table in HTML. So watch this video very carefully because I'm going to start how to create table in the HTML, very basic and very easy steps. Okay, so don't skip and don't forget it to like, share, subscribe. Watch entire video. I think it will be 8 to 10 minutes only. So but in this basic you will learn how to create the table in HTML. Okay, so what is the table? So table is a tag in HTML that will be defined like this: table inside greater than and greater than sign. Inside that, whenever we discuss about the table, there are two things are there, one for the row and second for the columns. So this is one example here. Let's identify the columns here. So this is rank. So entire rank, it is called the column 1, name second column, points third column, and team name fourth column. So here how many columns are there? 4 columns are there. Now discuss about the rows. How many rows are there? So here rank, name, points, team. So this is row number 1, this is row number 2, row number 3, and row number 4. So in this table 4 columns are there and 4 rows are there. Okay, so in these this is the heading called table heading, and this is the data or table cell. The intersection of rows and column is called the cells, and the cells will be multiplication of rows and columns. So here 16 cells are there because 4 rows and 4 columns are there. That's why it is 16 cells are there. So now to create a table we have to use the table tag. Now inside that, if you want to create a row, like this is the row, again this is row, this is row, and these are the rows. To create a row we can create here tr. Tr defines for the table row. So this is the tr tag for the table row, and in each table there will be heading will be there. So at first time we will use the th because of table heading. To write this we will use the th for the table heading, and inside that whatever cells are there, to write the specific cells data we will use th for table text or table data. So it is text, and when we use the td, it is, or everything will be in a center element and it is bold. Th elements are bold and center. You can see it is bold and center, but td it is regular and left aligned. Okay, so we will use heading for the th, td, and th and for the cells data we'll use the td. Okay, so let's begin to, before we proceed, let's begin to how to create this kind of tables. Okay, now first what to do, we have to open the site. So open the sites. Okay, site, yes, yeah, we have created the site. What to do, as usual we do it like HTML, inside that head, and inside that title tag. Here we'll type here use of table and close the title tag. Now again close head tag and HTML2. Press Ctrl S and save table.html unit 2. Okay, standard 10th unit 2, not 4. Save it. Now inside that we'll keep a body tag here, and here we'll close this slash body tag. Now here we'll keep the font tag. We'll open the font, or also you can use the h1 tag which is given same in your textbook. We'll type here my first table, my first table, and we'll close the h1 tag here. Okay, and then we can type paragraph tag if you want to type. Then we'll use here my first table is as follows. My first table is as follows. Okay, and slash html slash paragraph tag closed. Press Ctrl S and F5 this. Yes, it is there. Okay, you can see output is displaying here. We'll sort it like this. Okay, now inside that, what to do, we want to create a table. So type here table tag and close the table tag. Right, now we are going to create first row table heading. Okay, so for this we'll keep the tr tag and close the tr tag here /tr. So inside that, t, what to use here, th, right here th, what to write here, rank, and close the slash table heading. Right, press Ctrl S and here F5. Here we can see. Okay, now you are not seeing like this kind of border. So when we create table, inside that we can pass the attribute like border, table border is equals to, we will assign 2. Press Ctrl S and F5 here, so it is the border is appear here. Okay, now table heading is done. First it is ranked there. Now after that we'll press enter again, second th, not td, th table heading. What to type in this is, we'll type the name and then /th. Okay, press Ctrl S and F5 here. Yes, it is there. Okay, then third th, in that points, next th, in that team name, then /th, Ctrl S and F5. Yes, heading is created in the first row. Now we want to do the second row. Inside one, domestic 88,110 and decode. Okay, so we are going to take a new row. After /tr we'll create a new tier. Okay, in that we will close the tier also. Now in that we are not going to th, because th is used for the table heading only. Now we are going to write inside the data. So for that we will use td, means table data, or we can say cell data. In that first it is 1 there and /td. Press Ctrl S and check it. Yes, it is appeared. Right, now similarly we use td, and here it will be Dominic and /td. Okay, then again td, in that 88,110 and /td. Okay, then next td, in that decode and /td. Now press Ctrl S and check it, F5. Yes, it is created. Okay, now we want to create a second row for this. So press enter here and use the tr tag and /tr tag, and in that again start td tag. In that what to type here, 2, then /td, then again td for the Sally name, Sally, and then /td again. Okay, next td, then type 72,400 and /td, and then next td, that will be students, and then /td. Press Ctrl S and F5 here. Second is created. Now the last row, that will be okay, next, and the last tr. Inside the tr will close again the /tr in this. Okay, let's start the td tag. Inside that we have to type 3 and /td, then next td, in that name is Nick and /td, then start again td, and in that 52,300 and /td, then again start td, and in that type decode and /td, close it. Okay, now press Ctrl S and come back here and press F5. Yes, here you can see you have created the table as per the given here. Okay students, so this is called the table, simplest use of table. How to create table in that run, it is very simple and easy to create table in that. What to remember, first we have to start table tag, give the particular border and close that table tag. Inside that, you have to check how many rows are there. Like here 1 2 3 4, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3 and row number 4. 4 rows are there, so we need 4 tr1, tr2, tr3 and tr number 4. So 4 tr is there. Now check in each row how many columns are there. So in each row 1 2 3 and 4 columns are there. So in each tr we should have 4 td or th. First, because this is the heading, that's why we have written here th. Otherwise you can see here td is there, 4 td, because of 4 is there, 4 it is there. Now suppose you want to add a fifth column, rank, name, points, team and country. So what to do, we have to use another column here. First we'll add the table heading here, type here and type td and sorry, td not th, it is heading, so country and slash th and press Ctrl S and come back here and F5. You can see country column is added. So now fifth th is added, so we have to use fifth td also we have to add here. So td, then we'll keep here India slash td, press Ctrl S and check it. Yes, it is created. Now in third row td USA and slash td, okay, and check it. Okay, now next again in the third td, then it will be okay slash td, press Ctrl S and F5. Oh shit, we did mistake. Where we did mistake, we have added inside that, the Ctrl X here and Ctrl V, press Ctrl S and F5. We have written China because of, yeah, Ctrl S and F5. Yes, it is added. Got it. Similarly, if you want to add another row, so very simple, copy this entire tier, last tier, Ctrl C and paste it here, change the name as you required. For example, next will be 5, here will be okay, then here we can change anything, like you can, this will remain and this will change here like this. Press Ctrl S and press F5. Yeah, it is added. So students, to create a table, it is very easy task. Okay, in HTML, very easy task to create a table. So we can, how to do it is very simple. So you can see, create a table, table tag, how many tier is there. So 1 tier for the first row, second tier for the second row, third tier for the third row, fourth tier for the fourth row and fifth tier for the fifth row. So there are number of rows, number of tier will be there. Similarly, how many columns are there? So 5 columns are there, so 5 th for the heading and 5 td in each row will be for your columns. So this is the simplest way to create a table. In the next session we will use the different attributes of a table. We will learn all the attributes one by one and how to create the col span, row span and how to create the complex table. We will learn in the next session. Till then, thank you, bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share this practical to your friends also. Okay, thank you.